Phylum Coelenterata. Similarly, Coelenterata is derived from Greek words koilos, hollow, plus enteron, gut. The animals of phylum Coelenterata are aquatic and are mostly marine except Hydra. They are also called cnidarians. They are multicellular, diploblastic, and radially symmetrical animals. Their central cavity is called coelentrons or gastrovascular cavity, which helps in digestion and circulation. The body wall is made up of two layers, outer epidermis and inner gastrodermis. Most of the animals are colonial, while some have solitary lifespan, that is, Hydra. Some common examples of Coelenterata are Hydra, Abelia, Aurelia, jellyfish, and Metridium, sea anemone.